Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Eccentrics Beauty Essentials. My name is Eccentrics, and today we are examining one product. It is the Clarins anti-perspirant roll-on deodorant. What the F is going on in the workplace today? We have scent-free, we have no scents, there's no scents at all in the hospitals, in the churches, in basically everywhere that you go, you can't wear scents. So what is a person supposed to do? You know, do you wear something really fragrant? No. Do you wear something that's non-invasive? Yes. And that's what I'm here to talk to you about today. The Clarins anti-perspirant, different than a deodorant masks the smell of odor, where an anti-perspirant is long-lasting and effective at neutralizing bacteria that can actually come into contact with your skin and actually give off a BO smell. So this is the Clarins, see, Clarins anti-perspirant roll-on, okay? We're just gonna get it going like this. You do a little, tiny little, like this, roll on and roll on. It is non-sticky, it is dermatologist tested, it retails at any fine retailer for $22, and it is the best anti-perspirant on the market. I have never used anything, and I'm a male. So ladies and men, make sure you go to your nearest fine department store and purchase your Clarins anti-perspirant roll-on deodorant. Now, I'm just going to read from the box here exactly what it says, so I actually don't miss anything. So it's a roll-on deodorant. It's anti-perspirant, long-lasting, and alcohol-free. It basically dries instantly on your skin. So it's gentle care for your skin, and you enjoy an immediate feeling of freshness. It's based on freshness with hazel, rosemary, and buchu leaves. And it takes care of all your skincare needs, even the most sensitive skincare underarm wearers. So when we're talking about what the F is going on in the workplace, you can be safe to know that with your Clarins product, your roll-on deodorant, then you are safe to go. And we always do the underarm smell, sniff, yep, I smell fresh. Don't deny it, ladies. We all do it. We all do it, men as well. We all do the sniff test, making sure that we don't smell in the workplace. And you know what? It's a very challenging thing to confront an employee. It's an HR policy that needs to be in place and spoken to that employee about specific BO and stuff like that. But if you are a nurse, or if you work in a hospital, if you actually go to church, if you participate in any types of sports, basketball, bowling, anything that I can think of. Well, women don't usually play football, but rugby, anything. This is the perfect product for you, ladies, and men too. So not only has been tested for sensitive skin, it continually neutralizes that bacteria responsible for embarrassing odors while leaving beneficial bacteria intact. So it slows down and blocks it completely, and it keeps underarms smooth, dried, and comfortable all day long. So it softens, soothes, and protects the skin. And like I said, it is dermatology tested. Anti-perspirant from Clarins Canada, clarins.com. A fine department store like Hudson's Bay here in Canada, Saks Fifth Avenue, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom's as well. I'm just going to turn down the light so you guys can see a better picture of that. There we go. The Clarins anti-perspirant roll-on deodorant. A must-have for all women and men of all ages. So that is my little rant tonight about what the F is going on in the workplace, because there are some stinky people. And when I say stinky people, we're talking about stinky people. It's almost like a fart went off and cleared the room. It is that bad. And when I say a fart, I'm not talking about any old fart. I'm talking about a fart that just clears the room. And you know what I'm talking about. You have friends, they're at your place, they let one go, and everybody knows it's them. So Clarins anti-perspirant roll-on deodorant neutralizes bacteria, leaving your skin fresh. I'm completely fresh. Smell great. And tomorrow we will be talking about Tom Ford fragrances. Yes, Tom Ford. I'm so excited. Eccentrics is so excited. One of his latest launches is the Effin' Fabulous from Tom Ford, which is an amazing scent. It's unisex for men and women. We will also be discussing Patchouli Absolute. We will be talking about Tuscan Leather, Oud Wood. We'll also be talking about Champagne Absolute as well. Soleil de Blanc, Noir de Noir, Tobacco Vanilla, and the unisex Soleil Blanc with all the top, middle, and base notes. So make sure you catch that episode. It's going to be an ultra fabulous episode where you know which scent you can choose to make your man happy or your woman happy as well. From all of us here at Eccentrics Essentials, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and have a good night. Atlantic Canada and the rest of Canada. From me to you, thank you so much.